Today we'll practice the Jalandhara Bandha, the throat lock. But those who have a high BP, they will avoid this. And even those who have a cervical problem, they will avoid this. You can start with a Mool Bandh. You can start with the Mool Bandh. You're familiar, you can start. Now the Jalandhara Bandh, your hands over the knees. It's like this. Fingers are open, no mudras at all. Your fingers are open for Jalandhara Bandh. And you're sitting in Siddhasana or Siddha Yoni Asana, keeping back straight. Once you watch me, and we'll do it with Antarkumbha, internal retention. Inhaling slow and deep, fill the lungs, and you have to hold the breath during the lock, during the bandha. Watch me once. Inhale. And then head down, chin chest locked, raise the shoulders, straighten the arms, and lean forward. Lean forward. And hold the breath here. Release the lock, head up, breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out completely, have one breath slow and deep. You may have even two breaths in between. Watch me once more. Inhale deep. Chin chest locked. Raise the shoulder, lean forward. Your arms straight from the elbows, putting the pressure on the knees. Stay, hold it here. Kumbha. Hold for comfortable length. Release the lock. Bring the shoulder down and breathe out. Breathe out completely. 1-2 breath in between. Now it's your turn. Start. Inhale. Chin chest locked. Raise the shoulder, lean forward. Press the knees. Straighten the arms and hold it here. The breath is retained. Release the lock. Bring the shoulder down. Breathe out. Inhale, exhale, prepare. The retention has to be comfortable. Never overstrain. Release, shoulders down, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, prepare. Release the lock, shoulder down, breathe out. Have 1-2 breath. And then stop the Jalandhara Bandha, eyes will remain shut. Just be aware of the impact of the practice. Matter of few rounds, it internalizes your senses. Again, physiologically, it's very good for those who have a thyroid problem. It helps in activating your Vishuddha chakra. Prepares your mind for the meditation.